Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a gift guide for young girls this Christmas. I'm thinking like preschool to kind of school age girls in this video. Let me know. I've got my Christmas tree as my background today, so let me know if you like it. I feel like the lighting's kind of off. I feel like I'm getting too much lighting from like this side of me and not enough from this side, so let me know if you like this background or if I should just go back to my old one. Let's just go ahead and get started. The first thing I have on my list is books. We are doing books this year. I've got two kind of options that I'm liking. One is anything from a thrift store. I picked up this one from a thrift store. It's just My Little Animal Friends at nighttime. You can find all kinds of them for less than $1. They're super cheap, and you should be able to get them at a pretty good deal and pretty good quality as well. But another website I've been liking is the Osborne books. I love them for learning. I think they're great. I've got the one Wild Weather, which is so neat because it's just a pop-up book, but each page focuses on a different storm. This one here is about tornadoes. We had a thunderstorm not too long ago, so we went ahead and we learned about thunderstorms and flipped to this page as part of our homeschooling curriculum. So I think that these are great. I have a friend who sells them, so I'll try to link her website down below if I can get a hold of it. Hopefully she's still doing that, but I've been loving these and I do plan on purchasing more for both Christmas and even birthday gifts throughout next year. Let's go ahead and get into something I'm specifically doing, or my husband and I are specifically doing for everyone this year. We just decided to put together little gift baskets. Nothing over expensive, but just something cute, and the goal is to pick out a gift basket, fill that gift basket, and then call it good on our budget. So I found this. It's like a little gift basket that you can put on a bike. It's at a thrift store. And then I just picked up some stuff, and I may even put another thing or two into this, but again, keeping it very simple but just kind of sweet. Let's go ahead and start with the big gift. I got this from Lowe's, and I actually got this for quite a few people in my family this year. This is the Build and Grow kit. They've got barns, they've got, let's see, I think I picked up one. It's a birdhouse, they've got a car, a boat, a jet, and I think that's super neat. This might be a little bit older for, I want to say preschool age, but especially once you get into like school age children, girls and boys both. I may or may not add some acrylic paint to go in with this set, but it's super cute. I got it for Lowe's for like $8. And again, it's perfect for learning, perfect for building the mind. And I love the little barn animals. I think that's so cute for any child. And it just kind of allows the handiwork aspect and the learning aspect to kind of get into it. One of the themes this year for us in our gift giving is learning. So we're actually staying away from any kind of technology gifts, and we're really kind of staying away from toys in terms of our own family as well as other gifts we are giving. So we thought that this would be a great idea. Again, it might be a little bit old for a little girl, but if she gets her parents involved, I think it could be a great family activity, and then she can paint it as well. And then after that, I just went ahead. The Ulta's got their 5 for 5 deals every year. I picked up multiple sets. I picked some up for stocking stuffers for my girls, but I got a few of these. This is the sugar cookie sweet. It's the Sweet and Shimmer. I got the sugar cookie set. I got the bubble bath, the bath fizzer, and as well as a chapstick. But I know there's different like hand lotions and loofahs and all kinds of things. I tried to pick up as much as I can, but this particular set only had these three, and it actually fits perfectly in this box. And I feel like it's a very affordable gift. I feel like it could work very well if you need a last minute gift. I think this whole box probably, or this whole basket, cost me about $10 in total. Well, maybe 15 with the 5 for 5 deals. But yeah, $10 to $15. I got an entire gift basket. This was only 25 cents at the thrift store. And I feel like it's an amazing just gift idea for any kind of young girl. You can customize them. You can create a theme of them. And for us, pretty much our theme was just kind of like barn house and bath. And I feel like it works perfectly. Again, I will be putting these also in stocking stuffers for my children as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned because I do want to get up some more gift guide videos throughout the coming weeks. I know we're already in December, and I probably should have started this a little bit earlier. As we're kind of putting gifts together, I'll kind of share what I we were able to do and put together. And actually, I'm probably going to end up wrapping a couple of things here just to allow the kids to have something to open. So like the items that are easily wrapped, I'm going to wrap in like a themed wrap paper. Like this one here, I could probably wrap. This here, I can easily wrap. You can easily wrap a book. And then whatever doesn't, I'm just going to make it fit in the gift box or gift basket and just let it be cute and fun. And so yeah, stay tuned and thank you for watching this video. I would love to have you around if you would like to hit that subscribe button. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and of course I have a love for both Jesus as Lord of my life and beauty, and I just want to incorporate that into my everyday lifestyle and share that with you guys on this platform. So hit that subscribe button if that is what you're into, and if you're not but still want to stick around, I'd love to have you. So with that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.